Hi, I'm Arm here. Okay, I'm going to guide you through your email activation process. I believe by now you have already received your email and your OTP from the HR department. Okay, please open up an internet browser. Navigate to apps.google.com/user/hub. Key in your email address. Click on next. Then key in your OTP, one-time password. It's hyphen equal capital P A, that is a small a, 5 W 0 R D equal dash. Click on next. Okay, at this point, Google will ask you to accept the terms and conditions of the company and also of the G Suite agreement. So I need to click on accept. They will bring you to a point where you have to create your own user password. You have to key in at least 12 character with a capital letter and a minimum of one number. Click on change. And you are done. You have activated your G Suite account. You are able to access your emails on your landing page, Gmail, your G Drive, your Google Docs, or in other words, your Microsoft Office, which is your Words, your Google Sheet, which is equivalent to Microsoft Excel, your Google Slides, which is equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint, and your shared calendar. I will explain a bit of details. Whatever you save or you're working on from your Google Docs, Google Sheet, or even Google Slides will be reflected and saved in your Google Drive. Okay, let's give it a try. Click on Google Docs. If you're new to Google Docs, please take the tour. It's a very quick tour. If you click on it, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides to show you what is what, where is what. I'll skip it for now. Click on new. Let's do a test Google Docs. Okay, click on untitled document. Make sure you key in the file name that you want. Click on My Drive. If you want to save it directly on your drive or you want to create a folder in your drive, what you can do is click on New Folder. I'll name it Test Folder. And click on Move Here. Once you are done, just close. Okay, let's test now. Go to your Google Drive, click on it. Normally from your landing page, when you click on any of the apps, they will open up a new tab. Okay, skip the tutorial. See, automatically you'll see in the folder section you have test. Click on it. There you go. Your test document is there. There's a multiple option that you can do, assuming that you want to share this test document or this document with your friends. Select it, right click on it, or you can select, and you can see there's multiple links here, right? Okay, get a shareable link, share with any of your friends which is in the company. You can preview it or remove it. There will be one more last thing. You can go to your team drive. This is where all the company informations and whatever shared drive that you have between your colleagues and your department will be listed here. So at the meantime, if I were to go to team drives, I won't see anything here because this user is not listed in any department yet. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy your Google Apps. Please give it a try. If you have any issues at all, please contact the IT department, or you can give me a call directly. Thank you. Bye bye.